If you're a professional worried about AI taking your job, then you need to hear this. Some jobs are actually becoming more valuable because of AI. Let's dive in. In 2024, AI is already handling tasks we never thought possible. But some jobs are actually becoming more valuable because of AI. Here are the surprising winners and losers. First up, creative directors. While AI can generate art, humans who can direct and combine AI tools are becoming invaluable. Next, emotional support workers. From therapists to teachers, jobs requiring genuine human connection are becoming more precious. Then there's AI prompt engineers. The irony, AI is creating huge demand for people who know how to talk to AI. Ethics consultants are crucial too. As AI grows, we need humans to guide its moral compass. And finally, experience designers. Creating meaningful human experiences is something AI can't replicate, but not all jobs are so. Data entry specialists, basic content writers, and customer service representatives are already being transformed by AI. Want to future-proof your career? Subscribe for weekly insights on navigating the AI revolution. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Is AI a threat or an opportunity in your field?